Hi friends, it's Miss Sonia. I thought we could play our guessing game with our letters. Ready to begin? Here I go. First letter. Napkin. Nest. Nail. Necklace. The necklace is going to go around my neck. All right, friends, make your guess. Did you guess N? N. N is for nest and napkin and nail and necklace around my neck. Okay, next letter. Okay, I have Jello, jam or jelly, juice, and I have a jacket, Make your guess. Did you guess J? J says J. J is for juice and jam or jelly and some Jello and my jacket. Okay, next letter. Let me erase this letter so I'm all ready to write. Okay, here I go. I have a cup, and in my cup is some coffee. I have a carrot. I have a cap. And I have my candle. Okay, make your guess. Did you guess C? C. C is for candle, cup with coffee, carrot, and cap. Alrighty, this is going to be our last letter for today. I hope that you guys are practicing your letters at home. You could try these guessing games maybe with mom or dad or a brother or a sister. Okay, ready? Hanger, heart, hand, hair, head, and hat. Okay, friends, make your guess. Did you guess H? H. H. H is for my hat and hair and head and heart and hanger. All right, friends, keep practicing those letters. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.